1, 2, 3, go.
We are going to try to see which is the better perfume, brand X or brand Y. Let's go ask some people. Hello, sir.
Go.
Yes.
Go.
Hello, sir. Is it okay if we use you as a test subject for a new brand of perfume?
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Brand X, brand Y,
Isa pa.
brand Y. Go. Sir, here is brand X.
Pause na ba?
Hindi pa.
Hmm. There you go. And sir, here is brand Y. Sorry, we are experiencing technical difficulties. Go. And now we're back. Okay, sir, here again. This is brand Y, sir.
It's great.
Go. And sir, what brand have you chosen? Go.
Brand Y. What is the name of Brand Y?
The brand that we are promoting is Inspire for Men, limited edition body fragrance. Go.
Wow, this brand is great. May I use some? Go. Pause.
Go. Thank you, sir, for being our test subject for today.
You're welcome.
Please buy M Inspire, limited edition body fragrance.
Go.